Well, so far it looks good. It doesn't cost too much. It's from IKEA. The quality is okay. For that price, it's okay. The table I bought at IKEA, I found it not to suit my needs here. Because when it was standing, it was a little bit too low. And since I have a small apartment, and I'm planning here on this YouTube channel also to have unboxing videos. Since it is a small apartment, I need a table that technically can be two different tables. So what I did was that I put the other table back in the box. I'm gonna return it to IKEA. This tabletop here is also from IKEA. It's an old one right now. I had it for a few years. But it's for like the office part, desktop. The thing is here with this one is that, as you can see below, there's a stand. And this stand is actually like a keyboard stand. And so the keyboard stand is adjustable in height. And this tabletop here is only laying on that stand. I have a kind of a living room table right now, but I can also put it as when I'm gonna do unboxing videos or something I need a more standing table. I can just put it together like this, put this table like this, and I have a standing table, worktop like this. I can work here more comfortable. If I need to clean the apartment, vacuum clean the carpet or something, I can just remove this and like that. Now I have more space in this apartment to do different things if I need to do it for my YouTube channel or at all. And when I want a living room again, I just take it to the lowest part and put the table back again, or the tabletop. And as you can see on the bottom here, these ones are for the legs, if you have it in more the way it was supposed to be. Right now I have a sofa table. I lifted it off and put the legs more higher up, put the table on again. I have a standing table, so I can do some work there. This is more stable like this than the other one. So far, I like this table much better than the previous one. Simply because you can have it as a sofa table, the way it is right now. You can also put it up so I can have it as a standing table. And the reason I have this bag here right now is because I'm gonna pack my bag with my camera equipment. And then after that, I'm gonna go to a club where I'm gonna shoot a video. And this video they're gonna use for their brand, their commercial for that nightclub. I'm gonna pack my camera, stabilizer, light, microphone, etc. That's gonna be very exciting to do. I just love to shoot those kind of videos. And the only thing I can say now, since I'm gonna pack the bag, thank you so much for watching this and see you next video.